Experiencing issues pairing your Xumo remote? Let's troubleshoot the most common problems with Bluetooth and RF technology. Xumo remotes use either Bluetooth for short-range control or RF for longer-range control. Most pairing problems stem from interference, low batteries, or software glitches. First, ensure your Xumo box has the latest firmware via the settings menu, as outdated software accounts for 40% of unresolved cases. Bluetooth pairing typically involves pressing a dedicated button on the remote while holding the reset button on the box. It's reliable for shorter distances. RF pairing usually requires holding the remote's power button for 5 to 10 seconds. It's better for larger rooms, but can be affected by interference. Crowded 2.4 GHz bands can cause RF interference, especially in hybrid work-from-home setups. Check for interference from devices like Wi-Fi routers or Bluetooth speakers. Bluetooth is generally more reliable for shorter distances, while RF is better for larger rooms. Always check battery levels and reduce interference sources. If basic troubleshooting fails, reset both the remote and the Xumo box. Remove the batteries from the remote for 30 seconds, then reinsert them. Unplug the Xumo box for 1 to 2 minutes to clear the cache. If prompted, the default pairing code is often 000. For advanced diagnostics, use the Xumo app, which scans for issues in real time. If issues persist, try switching between Bluetooth and RF in the settings menu to see if one connection is more stable. Remember to check battery levels regularly. Low batteries can mimic pairing failures by reducing signal strength. Remember to use a systematic approach. Check physical connections, update firmware, then reset.